Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Libra in April 2025. This month invites you to dig deep into partnerships, financial planning, and personal transformation, as the cosmos highlights your 8th house, the realm of shared resources and emotional renewal. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. For Libras, April 2025 is all about shared resources, intimacy, and deep transformation. With several planetary movements activating your 8th house, this is a powerful month to reassess financial partnerships, heal emotional wounds, and clear space for personal growth. Mercury retrograde, March 15 to April 7. April starts under Mercury retrograde, affecting your 7th house of partnerships and contracts. Communication with romantic or business partners could be confusing, so avoid signing agreements or making permanent decisions until Mercury turns direct on April 7. Instead, use this time to revisit old conversations and clarify intentions. Mars in Taurus. Mars moves through Taurus, activating your 8th house of shared finances, inheritances, debts, and emotional transformation. This influence asks you to take decisive action on money matters, whether it's restructuring debts, discussing joint investments, or addressing power dynamics in relationships. Venus enters Taurus, April 30. Your ruling planet, Venus, enters Taurus at the end of the month, bringing comfort and stability to these same areas. This is a beautiful time for negotiating financial agreements, deepening emotional intimacy, and prioritizing investments that align with your values. Career and finances. April emphasizes financial strategy over rapid career growth. Focus on managing debts, reassessing shared resources, and clarifying financial agreements with partners. After Mercury goes direct on April 7th, complex negotiations become easier. By April 30th, Venus helps smooth financial discussions and may bring unexpected financial support from a partner or external source. Relationships, both romantic and professional, are under review this month. Mercury retrograde in your 7th house brings back past relationship themes, unresolved conversations, or even old flames. Avoid dramatic decisions in love until after the 7th, when clarity returns. Venus in Taurus, after April 30th, enhances sensuality and emotional depth, making late April a wonderful time for deeper emotional bonding. For singles, meaningful connections may arise through financial or therapeutic settings. Health and well-being. The emphasis on your 8th house calls for emotional detox. This is an excellent month for shadow work, therapy, or exploring practices that help you release old emotional baggage. Mars in Taurus supports grounding activities like breath work, slow yoga, or bodywork therapies. Be mindful of stress linked to financial or relational power struggles. Emotional balance will directly influence your physical health this month. Best days for success. April 7th, Mercury turns direct, clearing up misunderstandings and restoring relationship clarity. April 19th, the Sun conjuncts the North Node, revealing your next step in a key relationship or financial matter. Pay attention to fateful conversations. April 30th, Venus enters Taurus, bringing blessings to financial partnerships and encouraging harmonious solutions. What to avoid? April 7. The tail end of Mercury retrograde can still create confusion in contracts and relationships. Wait until after the 7th for important talks. April 20. Mars in Taurus squares Pluto in Aquarius, triggering power struggles, especially in intimate or financial relationships. Avoid ultimatums and reactive behavior. April 2025 asks Libras to face the truth in relationships and finances. By embracing honesty, managing shared resources wisely, and nurturing emotional healing, you'll emerge with greater strength and clarity. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. What's the biggest transformation you're ready to embrace this month? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss your next cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.